Hello everyone, let's start with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So, in this video, we'll be solving 11th problem, and the problem name is Chefland Games. Okay, so in Chefland, a tennis game involves four referees. Okay, in Chefland, they're playing a tennis game, and there are four referees. Each referee has to point out whether he considers the ball to be inside limit or outside limits. The ball is considered to be in if and only if all the referees agree that it was inside limits. Okay, if all the referees uh, considers to be it is inside limit, then only it is considered inside. And if any one of the referees says no, it is outside, one or two or three or the four, it says if it is outside, then it is outside. So, given the decision of the four referees, help chef determine whether the ball is considered inside limit or not. Okay, so yeah, they'll give a decision of four referees, and based on that, we'll have to say if the ball is inside or if it is outside. So, the first line contains input. Uh, the first line of input will contain a single entity denoting number of test cases. So yeah, let's take int t, c int t while t minus 1 is. This will take care of all the test cases, and the each test case contains a single line of input containing four integers r1, r2, r3, r4, denoting the decision of respective referees. Okay, so let's take r1, r2, r3, r4, and uh, we'll input into all this thing. 1 second. Yeah, so r2 we're taking, and we'll take uh, r3 and r4. Okay, so now they're saying if r can be here r can be 0 or 1. 0 would denote the referee consider the ball to be inside. Okay, whereas 1 denotes that they consider it to be outside. So I think you got to know what it is saying. Basically, if r1 or any referee decision, if it is 0, then it is considered to be inside. If it is 1, then it is considered to be outside. So they are given four test cases, and here if you see, first referee says it is outside, second referee says it is outside, third says it is inside, and fourth one say that the ball is inside. So out of, if you see, all the four referees are not saying that it is inside. So in that case, we'll have to on output as out only. And if you see second test case, here all the referees are saying okay, the ball is in the tennis. I mean inside. So in this case, we'll have to return in. And if you see third test case, here it is saying three referees are saying first to third referees are saying it is inside, but last referee is saying it is outside. So which is again considered to be outside. Here condition is at least, I mean, all the referees has to be say that ki ball is inside, then only it is inside, or else it is outside. Here all the referees are saying ball is outside, so it is considered to be outside. So I think you got pretty much what is the problem statement. So we'll have to find here, like if r1 equals to 1, or r2 equals to 1, or r3 equals to 1, or r4 equals to 1, which means if any at least one referee is saying the ball is outside, then it is outside only, and if all are saying inside, then it is inside. So here is the case, if at least one of the referees saying ball is outside, then we'll have to print out only. Sorry, out. Okay, else if r1 is not, I mean, if all r1, r2, r3 values are 0, in that case this condition will fail and come to the else condition. In that case, all are saying it is inside. So in this case, we'll have to return in. So let's try to submit the code. yeah, it is written out in out out. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So basically here problem crux was key. We'll have to find out if r1 I mean all the values are 0. If all values are 0, then it is inside, uh, else it is outside. You could have done this way also, like r1 equal to 0 and r2 equal to 0 and r3 equal to 0 and r4 equal to 0. If all the four values are 0, then you will have to print in, or else you will have to print out. So I've used or condition, not in. So yeah, in this way you can solve the problem. Yeah, so thank you guys.